Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Faraway. Today I'm going to show you how to paint some brand new rims. These rims are from a 2019 Chevy Malibu. So all I did, because they're brand new, I just scuffed them down. I just scuffed them down with a red Scotch-Brite. In every little nook and cranny, everything has to be scuffed down. So that's it. That's all I did to these rims, inside and out. So next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start covering them up. So let me show you how to do that. But first of all, I'm gonna take off the valve so that the air can come out, and it'll be a lot easier for me to cover them up. Alright guys, first of all, in order for you to put the tape on, you got to get yourself some acetone. And then with a rag, just get yourself some acetone on the rag and start wiping it down. If you don't do that, the tape's not going to stick to the tire. Look at all the residue that I took off all the tires. So you need to clean them. You need to clean the tire in order for you to start adding the tape. Alright? Alright guys, I already covered all three wheels. I'm finishing the last wheel, but I'm going to show you how I'm covering it, or how I'm taping it up. I'm just getting pieces of tape. It's got to be automotive tape. I don't know, I haven't tried it with any other tape, but the automotive tape works good with these. So I'm just cutting pieces and taping them up all the way around. You can see right here, they're just small pieces, and I'm just going all the way around, making sure that it's going into that little groove right there. The tire is flat right now. You saw me take the air out, so it's a lot easier for me to put the tape in. Alright, so let me finish all this, and then I'll come back and show you how I cover the rest. Alright? Okay, you scared me. Alright. All right, and that's the way you do it. Let me just continue covering everything up, and I'll bring you back once I'm gonna start spraying the base. Alright guys, it's ready to go. Let's start adding the first layer of base. And on the center caps, I added some adhesion promoter. They're a different material than the wheels, so I added some adhesion promoter just to assure that the paint's gonna stay there. Okay, so let me add the first coat of paint. Alright, this is after 3 coats of base. Everything came out nice, so now I'm gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes. Once I applied the first coat, I let it set for 15 minutes, then applied the second coat, let it set for 15, and then the third, and let it set for 15. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start applying the clear after the 15 minutes have passed, and go from there. And there you go, guys. That's the way to paint some rims. And they came out real nice. They came out real glossy, real jet black. So that's the way to do it, guys. All right, guys, this will be it for this video. Guys, like the video, hit the thumbs up, share the video. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. If you want to support my channel, hit the link below. And guys, have a great week. See you next weekend.